But Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia knew nothing about it. Please, if you are supporting the man, support him, but don't be the one contributing to we losing votes. With all due respect, I'll be going to a Galamsey issue. Who say Galamsey no? If John Mahama is excellency, I'm not blaming you, but you cry say AYɛKa. Anka John Mahama, anka ultimate boa Nana Akufo Addo to fight Galamsey. Ebia today, maybe today, they will be organizing a program on Galamsey again. If the time Nanado started swearing his presidency, if NDC4, any John Mahama is excellency, if they are come together to support Nana Akufo Addo to fight against Galamsey, maybe today, there won't be any issue about Galamsey for them to be organizing programs about Galamsey. Now we have lost 8 countrymen. But you see, NDC4 mudi adi biara politics. NDC4, everything you want to do politics with it. Everything. Galamsey mudi politics. Same people for na Galamsey. If we had won, anka Galamsey for to me who say MPP, NDC, omu together, omu person Galamsey wo hobiuma. Anka enne so bad. You have to go and organize program now. Going to the program, people have lost their lives. So what says that it's very true. Thank you. You see you. Galamsey no. A program. If you are promised the people, and I say more opposition, na be state of emergency. And the mobile by mono, can you declare state of emergency? ABR by now you won't be organizing Galamsey program. You see, we must be truthful. Me yao, Dr. Manibuama and the Damuntala. All the people who are gone, but the people who I know, Muntala, uyen people nuclear. If you like it or not, you will like Muntala because you're very controversial, but he's very intelligent. Who need debating skill? A very intelligent person. Let me remind you. Nipa say JB Dankwa was a traitor. This case here, Muntala neka. Right? Very, very intelligent guy, man, in his 40s. We have lost him, Dr. Manibuama, medical doctor. Medical doctor is gone. Young military men, gone. Experienced brains, gone. That is about it. Please, you can send your request. I'm going to pick you. Finally, this is an address to some of us who are in Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia's camp. Sometimes no, ye pre-kradodo. To debia, ye pre-dodo. When something like this happen and the whole country is mourning, this is not the time to come and be paying people back for the stupidity they've done in the past. There is one page today. I had to even call Honorable Akosua Menu. Let's look for the person behind this page for him to go and delete whether is a he or she to delete it. I was on her. Honorable. They have to delete it. Before it was deleted from Facebook, even before it was deleted, people are already taking screenshots. You know, see, if you are following somebody, you should know the character of the person. Dr. Bawumia will never rejoice over the death of any Ghanaian. Be it in MPP or NDC, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia will never rejoice in the death of anybody. Until while we are Bawumia follower, no, it is wrong. Say, BBC Besino, now you are seeing rejoicing to the extent, say, a page that you have created in the name of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, you use it to say that why didn't Okujeto also fly in the plane to die? The wicked people have died. No, you don't do that. They say no can't afford. They are using it to do propaganda, and this is force who are using it to do propaganda. But Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia knew nothing about it. Please, if you are supporting the man, support him, but don't be the one contributing to we losing votes. With all due respect.
possible reach ya abo my Ghana ye nyina ye di arewo na asem we to ye ne nyina da bia meka se owo de ye mfa nya manwosem nti e ba ye obia e di arewo from Accra to Penny MPP NDC CPP obi e di arewo na ye di arewo no e wasa ye hwe ensem bia ye tro social media ne so na obi mpe eye Dr. Omanebo amasem enche obi ena sergeant anase flying officer na omo ye no obi mpe obi asem enche obi edi enko na nka we ekobi o ena somasi ku enko okobi ena nka we na eko ena nka we na ekowu edi enko ebi kura nko ma wo ken enko mo ko omko e kura nka de esi ne nka ensi edi enko esan obi owo so mre so a se de esi tie bia abeko enti mo a mo se nka president mama na eko enti nko na nke bewu anka munta ka ekobi kasameje fi kobi kasamjo enti lunch ba ko no enti kan kran fo nyina ba mu pedifo nyina ko lunch wo bo ase aba asemisi a mususu wen ha mani ebi musu se Akufo Addo ye na papa we de mo ambo ni wutuo no nso mo ko mo mbo da wutuo ni nyina mo be nyina mba waja Akufo Addo mo mbo Akufo Addo wutuo ni na mba waja no papa no 81 ora so ti ase mo mbo na wutuo ni na be se mranti e bo na wutuo no mba kwaja no na mo ama start na ono na MPP before na hihye akire ye ku na gide bibi so Dr. Omanebo amawu ye de MPP ni na kwa defense minister ye de MPP ni na kwa environment minister edi na MPP fo beje wo ewuom ada na NDC fo to da mo grassroots na bi mo hwen kra ye obi ewu ministers ewu nipa anwatwe ewu da kwa ye dwene ho ye na edi areho mo de amanyasem ana MPP fo na mo de asem si a ana emayen contest tamale central me bi so akwatia seat no honorable na skumi wuye edi na watwe say na say na fo say ana majority leader eka say da be na speaker be declare that seat vacant ema minority work out esaramo mamu fo munya atwem ne nko we hu mama party na international hihye say isi edit bana party ne the teaching ba say contest ya be contest yan contest enya mo na da bia yan play yan ko na da bia de moral standard da bia nko a MPP nko a NDC da ben honorable Donkuma wuye NDC focus yan contest omo no mu so mbalusu because no mo hihye independent candidate na chi Philip Basu wuye honorable omo ka so mo contest edi yanko na mo de bibia ba yanko ana yanko ne ko school we de yanfa nto ntwen
They said the Kumasi Road, we have to go and do cleansing on it. The Kumasi Road, we need to go and do cleansing on it. It is killing too much. Whoever built the road, or they haven't paid the person, because it's getting out of hand. We need to do cleansing on the Kumasi Road as soon as possible, and we need to fix the road. The president of the country needs to take a priority to fix the Kumasi Road immediately. The amount of dreams that collapse on that Kumasi Road is too much. The whole road is even worse. The voter regime, with the amount of vote they gave you, Mr. President, you need to fix the major road in this country and stop giving money to communicators to bully us on social media.